Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to upload WordPress backup in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in LinkedIn where I found a guy who perfectly explained how to restore WordPress from a cPanel backup. Backup is the process of copying the files on your website to your backup destination. This backup can be restored to quickly recover your website or to move it to another location if that is desired. If you are not using an external service, you can create a backup of your WordPress site by moving all of the files and folders in your WordPress installation directory, usually WP content, to another location. Then rename this folder something like old WP or backup. Once this process is complete, log into cPanel and navigate to the backup or restore under files, backup or restore, more options, and then WordPress. Select the folder with WP content as the destination for the data files. Manually restore the WordPress using cPanel. The first step, log into your cPanel account. After you log into your cPanel account, under the Files section, click on the backup icon. On the Backups page, scroll down to the Restore MySQL Database Backup. Next, click on the Choose File button and select the backup file from your hard disk. Later, click on the Upload button. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.